today's chief guest of the function, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Hyderabad, President of the function, Governing Body Member, Mr. Bharat Sir, President Director, heads of the institutions, heads of departments, faculty members, distinguished invitees, parents, print and electronic media, and my dear students. I heartily welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor for the first annual day program at Hyderabad campus. And it is the first annual day, and I am the first speaker for the first annual day. I am very happy for the same. It is wonderful to see such an amazing gathering once in a year to acknowledge the achievements and recognitions for academic, sports, and co-curricular activities. During the past academic year, university has made great efforts to provide better infrastructure and healthy academic environment. It is very essential for all-round development of students to have a better success in career and their future life. Many technical workshops, guest lectures, TEDx programs, sports activities, NSS, annual Techno Management Fest have been organized for the students. I would like to highlight only 2 or 3 key achievements. One is 4 projects have been sanctioned for the faculty from DST worth of rupees 1 crore. Rupees 60 lakh worth of books and journals purchased for the Knowledge Resource Center. Students have participated in 8 sports competitions across the state and national level. More than 20 guest lectures have been conducted in various areas of the students. Faculty have published 98 research papers in national international conferences and 102 research papers in national international journals. 5 faculty development programs have been conducted under National Mission on Education through ICT. Today, the campus must acknowledge and put on record all the efforts done by the faculty and supporting staff since it has accorded deemed university status. It is the hard work of the students and devotion to quality education, dedication of faculty and staff which is responsible for these notable achievements today. It is the power of youth which must rise to the challenges, and I have full confidence all of you will strive hard not only to achieve your goals but also to make this country a better living place. I strongly acknowledge and thank from my bottom of heart to our Honorable President of Geetha University for his innovative leadership, suggestions and guidance since inception of this campus. I congratulate all the winners of today's function, and I also thank all the student members and faculty who have worked very hard in arranging today's program. Thank you very much.
May I now invite the Honorable Pro VC, Professor N. Shiv Prasad, to address the gathering.
To present annual report of Geetha University, Hyderabad for the academic year 2016-17. Geetha University, Hyderabad campus has started MSc Pharma Chemistry, MTech in Computer-Aided Design and Manufacturing Engineering, Data Science programs during the academic year 2016-17. Geetha University, Hyderabad campus has shifted its function fully to the new campus in this academic year. Number of admissions in the academic year 2016-17, undergraduate courses 1,356, postgraduate courses 12. The research programs is going on steadily. Our faculty members have published 88 papers in international journals, 14 in national journals. During this academic year, Hyderabad campus has been sanctioned 4 research projects with a total financial support of 1 crore 4 lakhs 43,470 as follows. Fabrication and study of superconducting nano rods, 24 lakhs 22,880 under the Early Career Research Awards. This is sanctioned for Masik Swarup Raju, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics. Piezo and pyroelectric flexible nano generators for energy harvesting and self-powered sensor applications. The cost of the project is 28 lakhs 97,590. Again, this is under the DST Earlier Career Research Awards. Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, is the Principal Coordinator. Synthesis of physio-chemical characterization of NLO polymers for frequency doubling devices, 28 lakhs. The name of the PI, Balakrishna, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. The next project is the traditional and new approaches towards the discovery of dengue protease inhibitors, potent and drug-alike antiviral agents against. Again sanctioned by the Department of Science and Technology, 23 lakhs 23,000. Dr. Ram Babu, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, is the Principal Coordinator. Dr. T. Vishwam, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, has received Award of Excellency in the FDP program conducted by IIT Bombay under the National Mission on Education through ICT, that is supported by MHRD. Out of 4,051 registered participants in this program, he is selected as one of the associate faculty for the next outcome FDPs in India. Our placement in this year are good. 8% of the students opted for higher studies and remaining for the campus placement. So far, 649 students have been placed through campus recruitment. That works out 93%. Geetam University Hyderabad campus has excellent infrastructure with 108 classrooms, 20 seminar halls and 1,550 computers. The computer to student ratio is 1:5. The campus is connected with a LAN, Wi-Fi with 620 megabytes per second. 50% of our classrooms are ICT enabled. To support the students' stay on the campus, we have hostel facilities for 1,448 boys and 940 girls, out of which 1,308 boys and 475 girls are living in the hostels. We have added 4,399 new titles and 8,297 volumes to our library, spending about 46 lakhs. Our students participated in sports very enthusiastically. Geetam University, Hyderabad campus is divided into 8 houses, and number of games and sport events have been conducted to encourage the sports spirit and camaraderie among the students. Geetam University, Hyderabad has conducted competition in 10 sports events for the city colleges on invitation basis. About 35 colleges have participated with about 600 students competing in these games. Geetam University, Hyderabad has established Skill Development Center, an IBM software lab for the emerging technologies, namely big data programming, cloud computing architecture, IT security is functioning, and large number of students are benefited from this facility. We signed MOU with Virtuosa Polaris for Center of Excellence to impart quality control training to the students and prepare them as tailor-made professionals for the IT industry. Center of Excellence has been established with Hitachi Solutions to train our students with the business application based on Microsoft Cloud. We also have signed MOU with Indian Institute of Technology, Madras for database management system software. To support electronics, and electrical engineering students, skill development facilities have been created with the help of Cisco Networking Academy. This basically covers the IT essential hardware networking, CCNA routing and stretching, CCNA security. To support skill development in mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and aerospace engineering, a computer-aided engineering facility has been created with modeling analysis tools, digital manufacturing facility, reverse engineering, automation control, and the training. 3D printing is the latest technique in additive manufacturing. Geetham University, Hyderabad has acquired a 3D printing machine with a built-in size of 500 by 500 by 500 millimeters. A 6-axis industrial robot has been procured to train our students on automatic assembly, food packaging, etc. Can I request the students to learn how to maintain the silence? It's not the place, it is the annual day, you should maintain the decorum. I am very sorry. After listening 5 minutes, I have to address it from this to keep quiet. That is not the way we have to conduct ourselves. The earlier Geetham University Science and Activity Center, called as the GUSAC, has been renamed as the Innovation Center to support innovative ideas of budding engineers by nourishing their creativity. It helps unleash the ingenuity to innovate new products to meet social requirements. The purpose of the incubators is to encourage the development of new business ideas among our students and the local community. New startups within Geetham Hyderabad will also complement Make in India vision of the country. In essence, Geetham's incubation center and the startups will contribute to revitalization of the economy and enhancement of the quality of life for those who live and work therein. It is known that not many have access to resources or the knowledge to find startup or new business ventures. That is where the Geetham Incubation Center steps in to fulfill the gap. Geetham University Hyderabad campus students organized TEDx program with 7 speakers. Imagine a day filled with brilliant speakers, thought-provoking video, and a mind-boggling conversation. By organizing TEDx event, they have created a unique gathering in the community that will unleash new ideas, inspire, and inform. We have conducted computer courses, training for school children for 1 week. About 90 students have participated in groups in this program. The blood donation camp, NSS activities are, as usual, active. Our students have won recognition from Telangana government for the excellent efforts in making the state green through Harithaharam program. A science exhibition has been conducted for 2 days in which about 8,000 students have participated and 100 experiments were demonstrated to the school children. During the year 2016-17, 6 of our faculty members have been awarded PhD and 8 have registered afresh for PhD degrees. We have banned two-wheelers in the hostel this year. This has reduced the number of accidents and improved study environment in the hostels. Geetham University Hyderabad campus has plans of starting the following programs in 2017-18: BSc, BBA, BCom, B Pharmacy, and B Architecture. We look forward to march ahead with the support of the students, faculty, supporting staff, and management. Thank you very much.
His thoughts with us.
Experience and moving back here. Can I get a sense of how many first years are over here by raise of hands? Second years? Less or so. Third years? Okay, so the first years are dominating. So you have 3-4 years left in this institution. I was involved in the construction of this campus before I went for my MBA from 2010 to 2014. So I feel very attached to this campus. That's why I come here very often. The auditorium that you are in right now is only a temporary structure. We hope to finish it completely in a global style, maybe in 10 months from now. But the problem is the minute we start, we won't have access to it. So we're trying to time it. So please be patient with us. So in terms of education, 2006 I finished my 12th grade, and I wasn't sure where I wanted to go for my undergraduate education. I was interested in engineering. Then I have two grandfathers, both politicians, one of whom is the founder of Geetham, and my paternal grandfather wanted me to come and study in Geetham. So I don't want to say anything negative about Geetham, but I didn't want to come here. And the reason was not anything else, but that if I am the son of the grandson of the president, I don't know if I would be treated equally along with everybody else, and whether I would get the exposure and the independence to grow up into a human being that I'd be proud of. So my father and I sort of fought with my grandfather and said, no, I want to go to the US. I went for my undergrad to Purdue. It's an engineering institution in the Midwest. And I did industrial engineering over there. And my 4 years over there was so good. In that, I was alone. I had to take care of everything by myself. I had to form my own bank account, take care of my finances, take care of my academics, my transport, my life. It was quite liberating. I learned a lot. I really enjoyed it. I think the lesson that I took away from that is in India we're very sheltered. Our parents take care of a lot of things for us, and it's easy for us to be dependent on them. I would highly recommend you to, even within Geetham, to think about how you can start growing independent, start taking care of how much you're spending, what you're doing with your life, where you'd like to be in the future. Because time is short, and this time in Geetham is going to fly by before you even notice it. And don't do something just because everybody is telling you that you should do it. Most people say that you're here, you should get a job. Yes, getting a job is good, that does give you security. But I'm assuming that if you are in Geetham, you are in higher economic background than most other institutions, so you can pursue other options. I would highly recommend going abroad for higher education, for masters, if not the US, the UK, Australia, but because you see a whole different world. You're not stuck in this sense of everybody around you speaking the same language, the same old way of thinking. And when you see the rest of the world, your perspective changes. And I'm not saying stay there. I mean, for me, the goal was graduate, come back and give back to India, give back to Geetham, because I feel that I've had a very special opportunity in my life. And I think I would waste it if I was selfish and just thought about myself. And, sorry, that's my phone. Think about what you can contribute to the country, because there's many people in the country who don't have the opportunity that you do. There's some of you for whom your parents probably can easily afford this education, for some of whom I think might have sold assets to educate you. So they have a lot of hopes on you. They're giving up their life for your livelihood. So I think there's a lot of responsibility on your shoulders. The sooner that you can be more conscious about it and make an effort to contribute back to your family and then to society, I think we would all be proud. I think part of the thinking that I'd like to initiate in Geetham also is it's not just about education, about employment, but it's also education about who you are going to be as a human being and as a leader for the country. But I'm sure a lot of you have heard that India has got about 500 million people under the age of 25. It's close to half of our population. We're going to be the youngest nation in the world. And we have a lot of people entering the workplace, and we have the capacity to change the way the world is going to function. And I think we're one of the premier organizations in the country, and we have access to a lot of things that many others don't. So in whatever Geetham is lacking, I would really request all of you to come up to the Vice Chancellor, the Pro Vice Chancellor, and say that I'd like to see more of this in our organization. I'm not saying that we're going to do that immediately. We have to go through a due process. But at least we'll be aware of how the students are thinking, and we'll make an effort to move forward in that direction. I don't want to take too much of your time. We have awards to give out, and then also cultural performances that I look forward to more than anything else. So have a good rest of the year if I don't come back and speak to you again. Thank you.
Chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor.
Member Governing Body, Sri DVSR Verma, Resident Director, Heads of the Institutes, my dear colleagues from Geetham, parents, and student friends. A very good evening to all of you. This is really a great privilege for me to be amidst of you on the occasion of the annual day celebrations of Geetham Hyderabad campus. Today, our Pro Vice Chancellor has led a lengthy report depicting the wonderful achievements of our Geetham campus in Hyderabad. I should congratulate the Pro Vice Chancellor and his team, all the faculty and the students for all the initiatives and for all the achievements for the Geetham campus during the last 1 year. I also congratulate all the students who have won meritorious awards and also who won prizes and medals during the sports. Again, let me announce once again that Geetham University got A+ grade in our NAAC accreditation. This is for the sake of those who have not present in the morning function. That's why I am announcing. And I proudly announce that among all the universities, the so-called multi-faculty universities, among all the universities which are multi-campus universities, the Geetham grade is the best. As you have seen in the morning, we have witnessed a wonderful Achievers Day function where when all the three campuses put together, 2,500 candidates were placed in different companies, whereas Geetham Hyderabad itself was instrumental in giving offers for 800 candidates. I congratulate once again all those people who are involved in that. The Geetham Hyderabad campus, as you know, it was started in 2009. In the 7-year span, it has grown from what stage to what stage. Most of the people who are here from the beginning, they know. As my understanding goes, the first year it started with an intake of 800 capacity. Now, the present strength is 5,400. It is a phenomenal growth. In 2009, it was started in a separate building outside, which is not presently, we are not using it. We have given it to somebody else. Now you see the building here. This building is 1.8 million square feet. I think this is one of the biggest buildings in the entire country. Such a building, it is very rare to see. When I come to this building, it reminds me of, I don't know, anybody has heard about Bada Imambara in Lucknow? If you enter into that building, it is very difficult to come back in the same way. So, if you want to go around the building, Mr. Verma has to be with us, otherwise we can't come back to the same place where we start. That's what happened last time also. He has to guide us through all the rooms, and we were not able to see where we are going. That is the magnitude of this building. Anyway, on this very pleasant occasion, I just wanted to tell you two things about our Geetham University. Geetham is something special. Special for me, special for you, special for everybody. Special in the sense, in two respects I consider Geetham as very special. Because you name any faculty, it is there on our Geetham campus on any one of our 3 campuses. Name any faculty that is there. Now, what is the advantage of having such multi-faculty university? The advantage is we offer multidisciplinary faculties, subjects. That means we offer 4th generation subjects. We do 4th generation research. This is only possible if you have multidisciplinary faculties on the campus. Now, things have changed. Nobody can study any subject in isolation. You have to depend on other subjects if you want to excel in your own subject. Take, for example, any subject you take. You have to depend on other subjects. That is the order of the day. That is exactly what is provided in Geetam, either for academics or for research. The second aspect is, not only we offer multifaceted faculties and academics, we offer value-based education. In this sense, the Geetam is named after Mahatma. We have a School of Gandhian Studies. Every program we have, the Gandhian thought, Gandhian philosophy, Gandhian culture, Gandhian ideals are imbibed in those things. That is the speciality of Geetam. See, whenever you say, why Geetam is special? Why Geetam is successful? People say, successful people don't do different things. They do things differently. That is exactly what Geetam does. Geetam always does things differently. That's why Geetam is successful. So, not only providing multifaceted programs, Geetam believes in one thing, believes in providing high quality science and technology to its students. And while providing high technology, science and technology, providing high quality science and technology, Geetam believes in a different aspect. That is, science without humanity is meaningless. Where to make science meaningful, Geetam also takes all care to provide the necessary humanity being attached to that. That is exactly Geetam does in all its programs. That's why we regularly organize some of the programs where we invite people from different walks of life, spiritual leaders, and like Akshaya Patra, like Brahma Kumaris, like people from Ramakrishna Mutt. They come and give lectures to all our students, just to imbibe that sense of humanity into the programs. And this is the way Geetam tries to bring out good scientists, good technologists with a lot of human concern. That's what is needed for the present day population. And I think Geetam always stands in the forefront in bringing out such type of students, sending out such type of students into the society and into the world. Today, I'm very happy to be a part of this. I congratulate all those, once again, who got placements today and all those who got prizes and medals today. And I wish you good luck, and I wish that you all enjoy today's cultural programs very soon.
I have an announcement to make. We've been asked to suspend the program for a couple of minutes due to voltage fluctuation. The power will be back in a couple of minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience, everybody. Let's now resume with the program. I'm truly delighted to have the opportunity to share with you a great sense of pride and joy as we come to the presentation of the University Merit Awards. Recognizing the accomplishments of students in various fields, Merit Awards in 4 categories have been instituted. The University Merit Awards are quality awards for sports, co-curricular activities,
time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no.
को तितली जैसे पकड़ो तो हाथों में रंग रह जाता है, पंखों से जब खोलो तो वक्त चलता है वक्त का मगर रंग उतरता है अकीरा, उड़ते उड़ते फिर एक लम्हा मैंने पकड़ लिया रे, जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया हो, जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया हो, हो। सानी पनी पगरी सा
वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं, 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 वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं,
वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं, वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं,
वारणास्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवारणास्यं वरप्रदं
वारणास्यो वरप्रदं श्री वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं, वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं, वारणास्यो वरप्रदं श्री वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं।
भूतादिसंसेवितचरणं, भूतादिसंसेवितचरणं, भूतभौतिका प्रपञ्चभरणं, भूतादिसंसेवितचरणं, भूतभौतिका प्रपञ्चभरणं, वितरागिणं विनुतयोगिनं,
वीतरागिणं विनुतयोगिनं विश्वकारणं विघ्नवारणं, वीतरागिणं विनुतयोगिनं विश्वकारणं विघ्नवारणं, वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं, वारणास्यो वरप्रदं श्री वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं।
पुराकुम्भसम्भवमुनिवर प्रपूजितं त्रिकोणमाद्यगतं, मुरारिप्रमुखाद्युपस्थितं, मूलाधारक्षेत्रास्थितं, परादिचत्वारि वागात्मकं, प्रणवस्वरूप वक्रतुण्डं, निरन्तरं निढलचन्द्रकण्डं, निजवा मकरविद्युतेक्षुदण्डं, निरन्तरं निढलचन्द्रकण्डं, निजवा मकरविद्युतेक्षुदण्डं, कराङ्गुजपाशबीजापुरम्,
गपगपनि पगरे ग सरि गरि सनि पनि सरि सरि पगपगपनि पगरे ग सरि गरि सनि पनि सरि सरि गपगपनि पनि सरि ग गरि सनि रे सनि प सा प म गरि सनि प प नि सरि वातापि गणपतिं
निद पमगरि सरी
संगीत साहित्य समलंकृते संगीत साहित्य समलंकृते स्वर राग पदयोग समभूषिते संगीत साहित्य समलंकृते स्वर राग पदयोग समभूषिते हे भारती मनसा स्मरामि हे भारती मनसा स्मरामि श्री भारती शिरसा नमामि श्री भारती शिरसा नमामि संगीत साहित्य समलंकृते
सरि गरि सरि ग म प द म प द नि सा ध नि सरि ग सरि ग म द नि र ग रे ग सरि प द प स नि स ध नि सरि ग सरि प द नि प द नि सरि सरि वेद वेदांत वनवासिनी
पूर्ण से सिंहासिनी
नाद नादांत परिवेशिनी
आत्म संभाषिणी वेद वेदांत वनवासिनी पूर्ण से सिंहासिनी नाद नादांत परिवेशिनी आत्म संभाषिणी
व्यास वाल्मीकि वाग्दायिनी
व्यास वाल्मीकि वाग्दायिनी ज्ञानवल्ली समुल्लासिनी संगीत साहित्य समलंकृते स्वर राग पदयोग समभूषिते हे भारती मनसा स्मरामि श्री भारती शिरसा नमामि संगीत साहित्य समलंकृते सा सा नि ध प म ध प नि ध प म ग रि सा सा रे ग म रे ग स रि ध नि स रे 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 ग म प प द नि सा रे ग रे ब्रह्म रसनाग्र संचारिणी
भव्य फलकारिणी
नित्य चैतन्य निज रूपिणी
सत्य संदीपिनी
ब्रह्म रसनाग्र संचारिणी भव्य फलकारिणी नित्य चैतन्य निज रूपिणी सत्य संदीपिनी सकल सुकला समुन्वेषिणी
सकल सुकला समुन्वेषिणी
सर्वरस भाव संदीपिनी संगीत साहित्य समलंकृते स्वर राग पदयोग समभूषिते हे भारती मनसा स्मरामि श्री भारती शिरसा नमामि संगीत साहित्य समलंकृते मोरा
old school. Okay, my color. You need more bass. When are you gonna drop the bomb? 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 Panic and you put the bomb. Panic and you put the bomb. Panic and you put the bomb. Panic and you put the panic and you 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 panic. When are you gonna drop the bomb? Drop it like this. No, no, no. I'm gonna drop it like. Cheers.
Of course, with little breaks, a very good culture which doesn't have a language. As you all know that music doesn't have a language, and it is such a language even deaf can hear and blind can see that. And our children, they have performed very well within the limitations, and I hope next time they will get a good opportunity with all sound systems, better sound systems. And what we do for ourselves, it dies with us, but what we do for others, it always remains and it is immortal. And we appreciate our young children who have performed well to entertain all of us. And appreciation can make a day or a change a life. Your willingness to put into words is all that matters. And we are incredibly lucky to have Professor Prasad Rao Garu, Vice Chancellor, Geetham University, who appears to be equally passionate about our culture and art. We have been sitting through patiently, right from morning to evening. The essence of all beautiful art, all great art, is a gratitude. But a silent gratitude is not of much use to anyone. I am not here to thank people who have worked to make this event successful, because mere thanks, it is an insult, because all that great work they have done, they are also part of the organizing committee. But I would like to acknowledge all of them, at least if I